This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pay quarterly percentage tax using Maya. First, make sure your Maya account is fully verified and holds enough funds to cover your tax due. You will need your 9-digit tax identification number, your 6-digit branch code, and your 3-digit revenue district office code. Also, have your specific BIR form series, form type, tax type, and the correct return period on hand. Remember, your quarterly percentage tax return, or BIR Form 2551Q, must be filed electronically before payment. Once you have all your details, open your Maya app and log in. Tap on the Pay Bills icon, usually found on the main dashboard. From the list of billers, select Government, then locate and choose Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR. This will lead you to the payment form where you will accurately enter all your tax information. Take a moment to double-check every detail, ensuring everything is correct before moving to the next step. Now, fill in the required fields, your 9-digit tax identification number, followed by your 6-digit branch code, which is often 5 zeros. Enter the precise tax amount, your 3-digit RDO code, and the form series, typically 25500. Select the appropriate form type, tax type, and the exact return period for the quarter you are paying. Finally, input your email address. This is where Maya will send your payment confirmation, so ensure it is accurate. After entering all details, review them one last time. A convenience fee, usually around 20 pesos, may apply. Confirm the transaction to complete your payment. You will receive an SMS notification and an email confirmation from Maya, typically within a few minutes. It is highly recommended to take a screenshot of the successful transaction in the app. Print out the email confirmation and securely attach it to your filed BIR Form 2551Q for your physical records. Always pay on time to avoid penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.